Hello again everyone, this is your host John Melvin Anyorami Pranom. Welcome to Entrepreneurial Cyberspace Guide.
And I'm your host, Andre.
Today's topic, we discuss all about the data privacy related to the customer trust. And today, joining us again, Mr. Lonyo, a specialist or experts about this topic for today. Let's welcome Mr. Lonyo.
Good day, sir.
Good to see you again, Mr. Lonyo.
See
Thanks
you
for
again.
having me again, sir.
So today, let's jump in the topic. Can you elaborate the topic, Mr. Lonyo?
Data privacy is more than legal compliance. It's about earning customer confidence.
So what step a new entrepreneur?
Be transparent. Tell users what data you collect, how you use it, and how you keep it safe. Clear privacy policies matter.
So there's a question also from my family. So part of my family. He chat me earlier. So this is the chat he said. And what data should we not collect? So what data should we not collect?
Anything you don't need. If you're not using birthdays or location info, don't collect it. Less data equals less risk, right?
So what's about tools?
Use trusted platforms for payment, emails, and customer data. Make sure they're GDPR or CCPA compliant. Also, encrypt sensitive information.
Is that good? So can respecting privacy actually help your brand in the company?
Definitely, customers wants to feel safe. A company that respects privacy stand out, especially in commerce and digital services.
So Mr. Lonyo, final advice.
Think of privacy as a service. If customers know you protect them, they stick with you. They never leave you.
Definitely. So it's a
Yeah.
brilliant idea.
Yes.
So it's actually a good things that we need to have a data privacy in our account, in every account we log in actually. So that's a good brilliant idea, Mr. Lonyo. So thanks for having here again. So coming up next, the next episode about the marketing. So today, see you in episode 3.
Catch up in episode 3.